Welcome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed searching for a specific file in Google Drive, you're not alone. With so many documents, images, and PDFs piling up, finding exactly what you need can be a challenge. Today, I'll show you a simple, updated way to search Google Drive by file type, so you can instantly zero in on the files you want, whether it's a PDF, Word document, image, or more. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser or on your mobile device. At the top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. This is your gateway to finding any file in your drive. Now here's the trick. To filter your search by file type, simply type the word type, followed by a colon, and then the file type you're looking for. For example, if you want to find all PDF files, type PDF into the search bar and press Enter. Instantly, Drive will display only the PDF files stored in your account. This works for other file types too. Want to find Word documents? Type type.document. Looking for images? You can use type:image to see all your pictures, or type:JPG for just JPEG files. You can even search for spreadsheets with type:spreadsheet, presentations with type:presentation, or videos with type:video. If you want to narrow it down further, you can add keywords after the file type. For example, typed PDF budget will show you all PDF files that include the word budget in the title or content. Once you've entered your search, Google Drive will show you a filtered list of results. Scroll through and you'll see only the files that match your chosen type, making it much easier to find what you need quickly. And that's it. With this simple search technique, you can save time and keep your drive organized. Next time you're hunting for a specific file, just remember, type:, file type, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and happy searching.